Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need a Microsoft account and active rewards region before you begin. Sign in to Rewards, Microsoft. Confirm your email or phone and pick your device preferences. Once done, start completing quick daily activities, Bing searches, Microsoft Edge browsing, and mobile quizzes. These generate the steady point stream you'll convert. Make sure to enable offers and link the same account used on your Xbox or Minecraft Bedrock Edition to ensure your Minecoins destination is valid. You'll move from points to currency in the rewards catalog. Open gift cards and select Xbox or Microsoft Store, then find the Minecoins denomination that fits your needs. Confirm the points cost and delivery method. Digital codes deliver to your Microsoft account email. Once redeemed, the code appears on your rewards redemption history. Copy it. Make sure to redeem to the same regional account your Minecraft uses, because region mismatch prevents crediting. If you use Xbox, you can directly add the card to your Microsoft balance instead. You now apply the code inside Minecraft or via Microsoft Store. Open Minecraft Bedrock, go to Marketplace, choose Redeem Code, and type the 25-character code exactly as shown. Press Redeem. The Minecoins add to your Minecraft wallet immediately. If nothing appears, sign out and sign back into the same Microsoft account, then try redeeming again via account. Microsoft.com or the Microsoft Store. One key troubleshooting tip. Region mismatches block credits, so make sure your rewards, Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.